Okay guys, today I've got a Whirlpool washer and dryer. This one right now is filling up, pretty heavy jeans and towel load going there. So we're going to let it kick through its cycle here, and I'm going to show you that obviously you can see it's filling up, but you'll be able to see the lid switch works, that the spin cycle's nice and fast and smooth and all that. So kind of like if you were standing here yourself testing it out, that's how I like to show these off in the video. You know, when I spend my money, I like to know that when I get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So that's the purpose of these videos. And then when that's done, we'll move those clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer sounds great, works great, and heats appropriately. So we'll let this advance through its cycle here, and we'll come back for a couple things to show you. Okay, it is switched on to the agitation. You can see it filled up, stopped. The lid switch works. You can hear it's got a nice strong agitation. Alright, and we just moved over into the spin cycle. Drained all the water out, kicked over, and is now spinning. It's just about at full speed. So what I'm going to do is open up the lid. The lid switch will engage and bring it to a stop, but you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. And as you can hear, it sounds great. Nice and smooth. It's not jumping around or making any weird noises or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and open that up. You see it spinning nice and fast. And we'll let that finish up and spin the water out of those clothes and move over to the dryer. Okay, now we are on to the Whirlpool dryer. This is an Amana dryer, but it's built by the Whirlpool Corporation. So depending on where you pick these up, Home Depot, Lowe's, they have different surnames, but it's all essentially built by Whirlpool now. Anyway, we've got this going on here. We'll just start over. I'm going to show you it moved over here. Time dry, hit go. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So 2 red dots is where the heat is being measured in between. So let me turn this backlight off. There we go, maybe see it a little better. So I'm gonna pop this right in here, right inside the heating element tube, so you can see it's nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of there. Get one more picture. And then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. So now you know it's heating like it's supposed to. We've also got an auto dry setting on here. Lint filter. We're going to do a little bit of touch up on this dryer. I like to make these look as new as I possibly can. So check that out in the pictures. That's it on these guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.